Which microscope? And here we've got, it's a section through a mitochondrion. It's showing a lot of detail, like, you know, ribosomes and so on. So, and look at that, 0.4 nanometers. So the resolution is pretty good on that. So that is going to be an electron microscope. Which type? It's a section rather than the outside of something, so we're going to go for a TEM transmission. Now give a reason. It's a section. Very high magnification and resolution of, you know, 0.4 nanometers. You know. 2 images below produced using a light microscope and SEM. Which is which? Well, this scanning electron microscope shows the fine detail of the surfaces of things, and we can see fine detail over here. On the left, images are slightly more blurry. We're getting to the limit of our kind of resolution there. So this one is light, and this is our scanning electron microscope. So this, you're looking blurry. This is showing external surfaces and very sharp image. You know, it's obviously got higher resolution there.